Hello! Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to find the formula for a minus b in parentheses squared by using the formula for binomial square a plus b in parentheses squared. A minus b in parentheses squared can be written as a plus b minus b in parentheses squared. Then I can apply the formula for binomial square a plus b in parentheses squared. When I do that, this equals to a squared plus 2a multiplied by negative b plus b squared. In other words, a minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And combined, both formulas for binomial squares can be written as a plus minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus minus 2ab plus b squared. Thank you for watching and learning. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.